The idea of tailoring solutions, can you talk a little bit more about how that works on the ground?
When it comes to tailoring solutions, the way we do it with our customers is that we work very closely with them, not just during onboarding, but throughout the entire life cycle or lifetime with Gnosis that they have. So what we do is we deploy 2 different engineers to be on their account. One of which is a forward deployed solutions engineer, as we call it, and then one is more of a data-oriented engineer where they're responsible for tracking our customers' containers and associating different reference points to that container so they know what warehouse is it going to, et cetera. But really what we do from there is work closely with the customer to say, hey, what insights are you looking to have? But really more importantly, how do you want to use this data? We don't want you to just see the data and see how many containers are arriving at port next week. What we want you to be able to do is say, hey, these are my drayage carriers. This is how I like my drayage allocated to these carriers. Can Gnosis understand what containers are going to arrive this week, who should be allocated that load, and then send the delivery order? And that's exactly what we do in our drayage management suite. But also using the data from a retrospective perspective, where I got this freight invoice, can you tell me if it's correct or not? Because really what we find is that 85% of inaccuracies on a freight invoice are due to the underlying milestones being incorrect, as opposed to just the invoicer applying the wrong contract to it. It's really, hey, this one actually outgated on the 21st, not the 20th, so I should only have 5 days of detention billed, as opposed to it being like, oh no, it shouldn't be $250, it's $200. That's usually not the issue. It's what is the underlying milestone? And then Gnosis is in the perfect position to actually audit against that because we already track all their containers and have their contracts for those containers.